everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pucara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pucara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. Lignum and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poltam and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pucara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Dead doors opening now.
Hold on, Jess.
Hurry, all recruits to transport. No need for safety gear, it'll be a smooth ride.
Quickly! Find your color!
Ground crews, deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Initiate pre-flight sequence on Deck 3 for Pucara. Affirmative. Deck 3, you are clear for launch.
Squads, we're rolling up.
Pucara bound personnel, this is your final call to board. I'm getting a high reading on the fuel pressure line.
Back to green.
Check the binary motivator. Yes, I just want to be sure. All recruits must be on the move now. Transport is away in 30 seconds.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. More ships launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pucara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company! First Order TIE fighters! Reroute! Red 2, Blue 5, we got clear path so transport can make a jump!
Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake it, Blue!
I'm trying.
We lost Blue 5! I'm gonna try to draw out the way!
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready, you won't have much time!
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers.
Get out of there!
We can't. We're caught in the tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll go get some friends and make this a fair fight! Don't worry, I'll come back for you! Stay strong!
Is there anything we can do, Nina? No, the tractor beam will be too strong. It's worth a shot. Full reverse. Any other ideas? Then wipe the navicomputer. I don't want them finding anything.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
The ship is now under the command of the First Order. You remove yourselves from this vessel one crew at a time, and then proceed to the right, where your interrogation. Off the ship.
How did it get on?
Now.
How did it of you follow behind them. Keep your distance.
You too.
I'll be there. 4. The 4th will be on the red. We'll turn around and face me when we get there. How many? We'll be on silver, face me, and how many there?
Are you ready for your interrogation?
Now, remember the color I assigned you? This will be important for your interrogation. If you must look down, remember now. Good. When I will call you in, and you will find this exact same marker inside. Is that there?
Yes, sir.
Is that going to be difficult for any of you to remember?
No.
I should hope not. It's a simple color. Now, what color do you want? Why did you have to look down? What color are you on, little one? Did you see he looked down? No, because he's smart. What color are you on?
I did not look at it.
That was done correctly.
I looked at the bar.
And you, what do you have on your shoulder? What, Baby Yoda? What in the world is a Baby Yoda? And is it delicious? And honestly, I want to chop it up into little pieces, deep fried batter with a side of sweet and sour. And then probably tastes really good. Have you ever tried doing that? No, I won't. And the ears off, deep fried down Yoda ears. They're delicious. And if you want powdered sugar, it tastes really good. It'll probably be the last meal you're going to have for the next, well, I don't know, depends how long you're stuck in there for. 10 days, 11 days. No idea. Good? Go find your marker inside.
Enemies of the First Order, we will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We're needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Down by your feet, throw that cargo away, glue it in front. Alright, so we're marking the right.
Then we have the recruits.
Wait, you're still here? Poe's coming back with an attack force. Get to the escape pods now. Lieutenant Beck, we need to find him a way.
Pilotos, para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados con su cinturón de seguridad bien ajustado. Mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del transporte y supervisen a sus niños.
Okay, take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you. Recruits,
For your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get to move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right.
resist nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Round the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run. Escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Outside the wreck. Alright, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're Resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know, scan for his body.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from key command personnel.
Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck.
We're tracking Beck's
Wreckage? We got Beck.
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.